We are clear.
Dang, we're getting put to shame.
We are clear. You're up.
It's your turn.
Your turn.
Sister. My heart's pounding.
Mine.
I mean, my things are going. I'm too having much anxiety right now.
It's not that bad.
I'm almost got the neck sweat.
It really is not that bad.
Yeah, you got a hold of his ass.
All right. Come on.
Come on, bro, you got to do.
Do not put your finger on that trigger.
Well, don't point it nowhere.
I'm not. It's all you. Now,
Oh my God.
now, honey,
Huh?
just squeeze. Just hold firm and
Right here?
yeah, and then whenever you're ready, you just squeeze.
I'm going for right between the. I'm going for the nose.
Go for the nose, baby.
That's what I've been trying to go for.
Hold it
No.
tight. Hold it tight. You got it.
I'm shaking.
It's okay.
All right.
It's okay.
I can't do it.
You
Yes,
can.
man, just pull the trigger. Luke can do it. Mason can. Come on. Yeah.
Just pull it, baby. Good shot. Hey, now, hey, your finger on the trigger. Don't.
That's my first time. I can't help
Well, get your finger off the trigger.
it. Did I get the nose?
Well, we'll go look at it in a minute. Just keep your finger off the trigger till you're ready to rock and roll, baby.
Luke, I sit back here.
Oh my God.
It's all right, honey.
Look how I'm shaking.
It's okay.
I'm getting the nose every time.
Get the
I'm
nose.
Look, come over here by, your mama.
Oh,
Why don't you stand right over here and you get a good view? There
right
you
here.
Good shot. Keep.
Oh, because I closed my eyes.
She shot. Show me the
Go. Can you see it?
She
I closed my eyes that
See
time.
right there. See that little big hole?
Yeah, okay, good.
It's scary.
It ain't scary. It's adrenaline rush.
I don't think I can do this.
Hey! Just think of it somebody you're mad at, Vern.
I ain't
How
mad
old are
right
you?
now.
4 years old?
I'm nervous.
Think of somebody who's ticking you off.
I
Think of
can't.
mom running her mouth.
Nobody makes me that mad.
You watch The Walking Dead?
Mom's
Picture
talking
Walker.
about politics.
I saw fire.
It's all right.
Zombie.
Oh, it hurt.
Hold on now. Keep your finger off the trigger.
It ain't. It hurt. This is. Oh my God.
Don't be scared.
We got it lined up right with that tree.
It's just a gun.
I can't stop shaking.
Well, slap yourself. Face.
She just keeps screaming about it.
Nah, I gotta get back up there and finish these damn tomatoes.
Hey, whenever it does this, does it go high or low?
Well,
Hi.
Huh?
Hi.
Job, basically.
We're a little lower.
I'm gonna get his nose this time. I ain't got it one time yet.
Mama's been a lot better about it. But I feel like
I'll take ya.
Quit being scared.
That smells like firecrackers.
you're clear, honey. See your gun open? See your gun open?
Huh?
See your gun open? You're out of bullets.
Oh, that's neat. No, that's what hit my thumb. That hurt. That thing hit my
Hold on.
thumb. Hi, Dad.
Here.
I ain't doing no more. You
Yeah.
do it.
Here.
I want to mark mine. I ain't
Okay.
doing no more.
Come on.
I got tears. Right here, tears.
You gotta quit being afraid.
I didn't even get it one time that whole fucking. Oh, I got right here, right here.
Hold on. You got it twice.
I only got two. One right here, one right
Bang
here.
your gun
The
down
whole
to
wood,
the
you
right
would want to do
Yeah.
the whole wood.
Yeah, you got the two sides of wood,
No, I think that's it.
Come on, honey. Let's get it. Come,
I only got it right here and right here. I was going for his nose.
come on, honey.
No, that's a whole.
Oh, yeah.
Run this other clip through it.
Come on, finish her up.
That's what I can do. Kick him in the ball.
Now you come on. Come get this 5 more shots.
I got my shots.
You got to get these 5 more shots.
I'm done.
No, you're not,
You do yours.
honey. I'm fixing
We're
to.
losing daylight.
We got plenty. Come here.
We'll get a spotlight out there.
Man, my hand is swollen.
Do you want to try mine instead? Mine's a smaller gun.
No, this is
All shots you got yet?
not yet. I'm about to. Ready?
Might want to cover your ears, Lee.
Yeah.
Stay back. There's a bullet right there.
Huh?
Oh, no,
There was a bullet right there.
I know you're locked and loaded.
Oh fuck.
Get up a lot closer. Because you step back every time.
I'm getting that motherfucking nose this time.
Let her shoot your gun a couple times, see if it eases her into it a little.
Get your nose.
Move over this way, Vern. To the right. Get lined up with them better. She hit the tree all the way out there.
Same place. So
You ain't got to move your body. You got to move your gun.
I gotta get your nose, sucker.
Watch your gun.
Move your gun.
I did. I'm getting your nose this time.
She hit the tree again.
Oh yeah?
She getting it now. She's starting to get a little more confident.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I got tears.
You're up, Kayla.
Good morning.
Everybody stay back here.
We are
Shoot up.
we are live.
Get hit with your little thing.
We are live.
This one's good to go. Both safeties are on.
He's sitting right in the center on that middle
That
line.
poor tree. The branches just give a little boost. He's like, I already got my other one ready to go.
I got 3 of them bad boys ready.
Well, I don't think that's a... All right. 3? You're like,
He's doing it like he's a pro and shit. He don't need no classes.
I'm gonna go right for the eye.
Stay back, kids.
oh, Kyle just farted.
Chris, we're gonna have one more on there.
That one there jammed.
Okay.
Hey, you.
All right, Vern, show us how you can hit that dude. Come on, get him in that crotch. Aim a little lower. Don't kick that.
You are live, girl.
You ready, girl?
You're live.
Oh, you was
Yeah.
pregnant.
Here is...
I was just getting it ready for you. You want to do the entire thing? You want to? Here, let me let you load it.
No.
No, it's okay. Here.
I ain't loading nothing. I'm taking a class on that stuff.
Okay, take your class.
Watch out. I'm gonna get his gun.
You get his gun.
Oh my god.
There's just gonna be like a puddle of cows back there, you know.
He's like calling and suing us.
No wonder she got her sunglasses on.
I can hear Dad. Must be Vern shooting.
I'm surprised Mom ain't out looking.
Sit, baby. See the slide open?
Huh?
See the slide open?
No, I was looking up there.
Here,
She was in the
Byron,
zone.
try this one.
Take that thing out.
Byron,
Yeah, Vernon, give that one a shot.
try this.
Make sure there ain't nothing in it.
Might need to get her a 22. She's feeling a little more confident with it, but once she shoots this one more, that one more, it'd be all right.
Right.
Yeah.
Good. Shooting on balls.
It's
Well,
just
the
it's
guy
just
at the
getting
shop,
used
you
to
know.
the bang bang.
Well, I asked the guy at the shop, you know, what's a great starter for a woman, you know, never had one. And that's exactly what he said right there.
She's got to get used to the bang bang.
What changed up and
I
down?
know she. That's it, girl. That good shoot.
That
Hey,
one better.
Look. Right here. You got a safety right there, and you got a safety right there.
look, I knew he could shoot. That ain't bad. Damn good shooting. Yeah, I knew that boy could shoot. I knew better.
Dang! And you're like, oh no, I'm gonna get some headshots too. You got a whole bunch of them.
Oh man, he done. That's damn good, Kyle.
Dang!
I mean, that's real good. He's done. Bye. Bye. That's a good shoot. I knew you could shoot. I knew you were sandbagging. I knew your ass was sandbagging. I knew he was sandbagging. Yeah.
There you go. You ready?
Got another clip, baby, ready.
All right.
I'm aiming for the gun again.
All right, Vern, fuck him up.
Did you say it goes up or down?
It goes up. But, no,
But only when you fire. So after it comes back down after in between the firing.
Cock it and everything for?
oh crap! I forgot to cock it.
You ain't gonna get nothing out
You
of
ain't
that.
gonna get nothing. You ain't getting
Let me
nothing.
see it, baby.
You ain't gonna get nothing.
I'll drop it.
You can't get the second on. Oh my god.
You got this.
Oh, she getting some good ones. She getting close to the gun.
Still ain't got that damn gun yet.
Lower it down a little bit.
Yeah.
You're aiming too high. Oh. She got closer.
What are you laughing about?
There it is.
You empty.
Just-
You's on fire. Don't shoot me in the butt. Oh, you eyeballing it now.
Think
You're
about trying to shoot it.
like,
I got the gun.
You do got the gun. There you Woo!
wow.
Damn!
I got the gun.
She is on. She's getting it.
Hey, Red.
I got him. Look at that.
I believe he is dead. Or breathing very good.
Good shot, honey.